OnePlus is a smartphone brand that is known for producing high-quality devices with impressive specifications and features. And with the new year approaching, a new smartphone is expected to launch called OnePlus 11, with a Pro device to follow later in 2023. Design-wise, in an effort to change things up, the company is replacing the squared-off camera bump with a rounded module with a ringed border. However, it shares some design DNA between generations. As you can see, the grid of camera lenses along with the flash remains the same. Renders reveal the two primary colors we anticipate the OnePlus 11 to come in are the glossy green and matte black with the brand's signature sleek sandstone finish. Aside from the changes, this looks to be a fairly standard OnePlus release with a 6.7-inch Quad HD Plus AMOLED display. It will run on Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, the company's most recent chipset that expands on the triumphs of the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 that came before it. Up to 16 gigs of RAM, though likely just 8 gigs in the base model. A 5000 mAh battery paired with 100W fast charging, Wi-Fi 6E and UFS 4.0 storage. More importantly, its iconic mute toggle would make a return. Camera is where you will see some improvements. It shall come with a 50MP primary lens paired with a 48MP ultra-wide and a 32MP telephoto lens capable of capturing 2x shots. Last year's OnePlus 10 Pro managed to capture some impressive shots, but it was widely inconsistent. Hope that's not the case with the new cameras. Software-wise, OnePlus 11 will ship with Oxygen OS 13 based on Android 13 out of the box. And about the price and release date, currently there are no leaks, so whatever I'm gonna say is purely based on assumptions, and I assume it will be priced close to what OnePlus 10 Pro was priced. The launch, as I mentioned, will happen next year. In the meantime, expect to hear more about it from OnePlus. With that said, we are at the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Peace out.